Hi guys, I'm Amie Carlson with REMAX Capital Properties, and I'm here at the new location for Ninja Playground, which is the Ninja Playground Athletics now.
Yep.
Here with the owners, and I'm going to let them kind of take it over and tell you about the space.
Hey guys, we are so happy to bring a bigger, better location to Cheyenne. We love Cheyenne. I was born and raised here. I met the Waskowitz family 2 short years ago, and they just fell in love with the concept. And I'm so blessed and happy that we're going to be bringing a bigger, better gym to the community. We're going to be offering big events. We're going to have rock climbing wall, ninja, and parkour. And really, we want to highlight that we're going to be doing awesome birthday parties here.
And been bringing it to downtown Cheyenne. You know, our previous locations down south really, but we're going in the heart of downtown Cheyenne on the corner of Pioneer and 15th. And so I think it's going to be a great location for everybody to come to, enjoy not just downtown Cheyenne, but also encourage or to see what the ninja lifestyle is like.
And also, you guys, we are slated to open this new location sometime in February. We are going to be giving away 1 month free if you guys sign up before March 1st, 2020. So don't miss that opportunity. Go to our website, ninjaplaygroundathletics.com. Click on Join Now, and you can sign up for a membership and get that 1 month free.
And you guys are definitely going to want to get that membership. My family and I love it here. We've been going to Ninja Playground for a long time. It's good for the whole family. It's a super good environment. Don't miss your chance.